Did you know the man who killed 918 people in a jungle was being celebrated by American politicians just months before the massacre? His name was Jim Jones. He ran a church called the People's Temple. And in the years before November 1978, he collected endorsements like trophies. California's governor praised him. The city of Los Angeles gave him a humanitarian award. From the floor of Congress, senators spoke his name with admiration. Walter Mondale called the People's Temple a model of social progress. Rosalind Carter sat down with him personally. These weren't fringe figures. These were the people whose job it was to know better. Reporters who tried to raise alarms were pressured into silence. Former members who escaped and told the truth were dismissed. Every institution that should have caught what Jones was becoming chose to amplify him instead. And here is the part history quietly skips. Every single person who endorsed Jim Jones went on to be celebrated for something else entirely. Nobody ever had to answer for this. Nobody.